What's up, guys? So today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we got something pretty cool and we're gonna put it on, and it's a new hood and it's awesome and I love it. So but we have to do a few things before we can actually put it on and show you guys the fitment, what we think about it, and if it's worth the amount of money that we got it for. One thing that we need to do before we can even put it on is get rid of the arrow catch pins. For right now, we aren't going to run these on the new hood until we figure out if we want these or the quick latch style, which are where you press a button. In order to do that and take this hood off, we gotta take these off, which involves us removing the front bumper because of the AC canister that sits here. We can't get a wrench to get that one off. So with that said, we're gonna remove this and remove the hood, and then we'll show them the cool new hood.
Why you gotta be doing that? Why you gotta be pushing me?
What we're gonna do now is actually take the hood off first, since it's the easiest thing to remove. And it's two 14mm bolt or nuts on each side. And then literally you just can lift it up. Tyler's struggle busting it. Are you joking right now? Babe.
No. Did it look good though?
It looked like you seriously were struggling. So that's how you take the hood off. Very simple. Now it looks super pretty and we can see all in it. So Tyler actually found a way to get the wrench in so we don't have to take the bumper off. Thanks, Tyler. So we're gonna try and do that now. He's waiting on me to get the 19mm.
Because my hand is stuck.
Boop. So I've got a 17 deep socket. The whole thing is moving.
Yep.
Oh, is that what it's gonna do?
Yep. Wrong finger. You should be able to pull it up right now.
Whoops. I got my hood latch cable and we gotta put it through the firewall grommet. You can see here, I don't know if you can actually tell, but there's a little hole that this comes out of. Okay, so while Tyler is tightening the actual hood latch part under the dash, which is just a 17mm nut to get that on, I'm going to run this cable. For the life of me, I cannot remember how it goes. I think it runs under the headlight here and then sits somewhere under here. Got our cable all plugged into here. And just to reiterate, this is a temporary solution, which is why I'm not painting it. Just want to make sure that I like this hood and I wanted to continue running it. So we got that on. Fits great with the intercooler brackets. Now it's time to put the hood on.
Okay, so with the hood down, we noticed that we have a gap. It's only on the left side, but everything else seems to be matching up just fine.
So what we think is happening is the actual mold itself is slightly crooked, and it could be just from it sitting too long and it just kind of got a little wonky. So what we're gonna try is to persuade it to level itself back out, and I'm gonna put the bump stop only on the driver's side since it's up higher over here. Put that there, and then I'm gonna try and press it down and see if we can get it to sit somewhat flush with the bumper. So So we got it a little better. So it doesn't look too bad. Our gaps are pretty even.
You know, I will say this much. I didn't think that I was going to like this hood.
The only problem that we've run into, the actual fitment itself is good. It's just this front, it's just slightly slanted, like the mold was messed up, or possibly that it was sitting for so long, because Tyler did read the tag and it was made in 2017. So it's possible that it was just sitting for 2 years and they sat it on the front side and it kind of just wonked it over. But since the actual latch mechanism is a temporary solution, I think we can get it to sit properly with the quick latch things. That way you can actually set it down where you want it and it should hold it in place, especially since they sit probably right about here, and it really should hold it down. It would kind of force it down on both sides. So not really worried about it. It's not that bad at the moment. As you can tell though, it's slightly higher up here, but we actually got it to fit better than it was.
Another good reason to use the quick latches is over time, because we'd have that more pressure on the right side and the heat from the sun, so on and so forth, it may actually help it mold it back into its original position.
But yeah, so it is carbon fiber and it has the mesh grill vent on it, just the one. And it does have a black gel coating underneath, which should be nice. Looks nice. At least it matches my engine bay. Woohoo! Now the other thing about this hood is it does run the factory windshield wiper nozzles, one on both sides. I don't have any right now, but they're just gonna stay like that. It's not like I have a windshield washer fluid reservoir anyways. The only other issue that we found was that the hood prop hole is straight up and down, and whereas ours has a little lip so you could get this in. So you'd either have to run like a hood strut or get your own hood prop or Dremel this out slightly so you could get this in.
Yeah, because all you want it to do is just slide in and then go like that.
Yeah.
So we can just take out a small little notch, probably with a drill or, like Chelsea said, a Dremel, and make that work just fine.
Another thing is on the OEM, you have these plastic pieces right here.
Oh Jesus, shouldn't have lifted it up like that.
You have these plastic pieces, and then the one on the passenger side. The carbon hood does not allow you to run that. There's no holes or anything. I think the fitment is pretty solid.
Doesn't hit the engine, doesn't hit even this.
It doesn't touch the hose, doesn't hit the engine at all, or any other issues in here, which is super nice. Normally I'm not the one to like carbon fiber pieces on my car, and this eventually probably will get painted and it will not be carbon fiber. Well, it'll still be carbon fiber, but it'll be painted. But yeah, so but for now it's gonna stay carbon fiber on here, and it's really weird because I don't like vented hoods, and I saw this for sale and I was like, yes, for some reason I like this. You guys can disagree with me or not, but it's my car, so I will do what I please. Tyler didn't really like it at first, but now that he sees it on here, he's like, okay. Hopefully it will release more hot air, and we won't really know that until we pretty much drive the car and see if, you know, it actually is helping with temperatures and whatnot. Now we did get this for like basically more than half price. There is a like spider crack right here. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. But that's pretty much the only imperfection in this carbon fiber.
There's two of them.
Oh, and then a tiny one, smaller than that one over here on the left.
Like we said, the cars the hood will end up getting painted anyways, and that's just gonna get probably sanded over and clear coated, so we're not too worried about it.
Alright guys, well that's gonna end the video today. Oh, no mic. Hold on. So that's gonna end our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new carbon fiber hood on the car. I love it. I'm super excited to see the transition of the car. Tyler and I have come so far in this build, and there's so much more still to do and that we want to do. And I'm just, as I just said, super excited, super stoked that you guys are here to follow the build and give us ideas and help us out on everything. I'm curious what you guys think about if you like the carbon fiber hood better or the OEM style better. If you think I should keep it carbon fiber or paint it. I personally think I should paint it down the road when I paint the whole car, but let me know what you guys think. I'm curious, and later guys.